You trust it with your life every time you drive. A modern car tire, round, black, and seemingly simple, is in reality one of the most complex consumer products ever made. Over 200 raw materials, precisely engineered to grip, flex, carry load, resist heat, and keep you safe at 200 kilometers per hour. Over 2 billion tires are made every year. This is how. It begins in a tropical rubber plantation. Rubber trees are tapped, a V-shaped cut made in the bark, and white latex bleeds from the wound. This natural rubber, once coagulated and dried into bales, is shipped to tire factories worldwide. But natural rubber alone cannot make a modern tire. It must be compounded, mixed with over 20 other ingredients, to achieve the performance required. Carbon black is the most important additive, a fine black powder that dramatically increases the strength, wear resistance, and durability of the rubber. Without carbon black, a tire tread would wear out in thousands of kilometers. With it, it lasts for tens of thousands. A single tire compound recipe may contain natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, sulfur, accelerators, antioxidants, process oil, silica, zinc oxide, and dozens more ingredients. All these ingredients are mixed in a Banbury internal mixer, a machine that applies enormous shear, pressure, and heat to disperse the carbon black and other ingredients uniformly through the rubber in just a few minutes.
We begin by
Mixed
checking the
compound
raw
drops
rubber
from the
bales.
mixer
The Mooney
as a hot,
viscometer measures
black,
its shearing
elastic
torque.
slab,
We also test for
already transformed
plasticity
from its
and
raw
ash
ingredients
content.
into a consistent, engineered material. Different compound formulations are made for different parts of the tire: tread, sidewall, inner liner, bead filler, ply coat. Each one optimized for the specific performance requirements of its location in the tire. The tread compound must resist wear. The sidewall must flex millions of times without cracking. The inner liner must be airtight. While the compounds are being mixed, other components are being prepared separately. Steel core, fine brass-coated steel wire, is embedded in rubber on a caliper machine to produce steel core fabric for the belt plies. The belt plies are cut at a bias angle, and it is this angle that determines the tire's handling characteristics. The bead wire, high tensile steel wire, is wound into precise circular bundles that will form the inextensible anchor of the tire to the wheel rim. And textile, nylon or polyester, are calendared into carcass ply fabric, the structural backbone that gives the tire shape under pressure. On the tire building machine, a skilled builder assembles all these components into a complete uncured tire. The green tire, first the inner liner, then the carcass ply, then the beads are set and the ply turned up around. The sidewalls are applied, the drum expands to shape the carcass into its spheroidal form. The belt package
Here we
and
see the
tread are
sidewall
applied over the
extruder
crown.
using a different,
In around
thinner
2
compound
minutes,
to form the sidewall
complete green
profile
tire is
during the
built.
extrusion process.
But the green tire is not yet a tire. It is the right shape, with the right materials in the right places. But the rubber compounds are still separate, uncured materials. They have no tread pattern.
Mooney
no structural
rheometer,
integrity.
cure test,
For that,
compound quality,
they must go to the curing
specification
press.
check.
The cut ends are spliced together to maintain the precise chord angle, ensuring high splice quality and strip joining. Apex extruder, application, bead and apex assembly, rubber strip. belt inspection, cord adhesion, spacing check, quality assessment, measurement complete, diameter confirmed, wire count verified, quality confirmation. A crucial step is the green tire inspection, where we perform a thorough component check on the uncured rubber, ensuring building quality and structural integrity.
Okay, visual inspection passed. Alignment is correct, no blisters.
Focus on the intricate tread pattern detail. Note the sharp grooves and the perfectly cured, smooth rubber, highlighting the exceptional tire quality.
Image analysis complete. Defect located in steel belt cord. Quality review required.